Hey there, fellow WooCommerce enthusiasts. Tired of selling your awesome products at just one price? Do you dream of customers adding more to their carts like it's a shopping spree marathon? Well, buckle up, because we're about to dive into the world of tiered pricing. I'm Jeff, and this is Sleekr Digital. In this course, we're going to unleash the power of tiered pricing on your WooCommerce store. Think of it as giving your customers a sweet discount incentive for buying more. It's a win-win. Over the next 6 videos, we'll be transforming your store into a deal lover's paradise. You'll learn everything, from the benefits of tiered pricing, which are huge, by the way, to the nitty-gritty of setting it up using a plugin. We'll tackle the plugin settings. Create exciting tiered rules for your products. Manage individual pricing for that special item. Customize the pricing table to look snazzy, and make sure your customers have a fantastic shopping experience. This isn't just about discounts. It's about boosting your sales, making more money, and keeping your customers coming back for more. So, grab your digital shopping bags, get comfy, and let's get started. See you in Lesson 1, where we will explore the benefits of this powerful tool